So what am I up to? Well, this morning I went to the flea market with a friend, and we just looked around, and I'm going to show you a good way to find some tools and stuff. Show you what I found this morning, and take you in for a little closer look. Toolbox, chair, and some other tools that are over here. So I'll bring you in closer. All right, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is this chair. I saw this chair and I was looking at it. It just kind of looked interesting to me when I was walking by it. And as I was looking at it, the guy there, he ran up to me. He goes, "You want that chair? $5. Well, this chair is made out of oak. It is solid as a rock. I mean, you can't move this chair a bit. I don't know how old it is, but it is solid. It has 3 stretchers. 3 stretchers on the back, the side, front. I mean, it is just a really interesting and cool country chair. So for $5, I can clean it up and I can reweave the seat. I've never done it before, but I'm going to look at this, I'm going to examine it and figure it out and redo the seat too. So anyway, that was pretty cool. Again, $5, you can't beat that. Also saw this tool chest. I don't need a tool chest, but I have grandsons and I'm hoping one day one of them will want to do some woodworking. And if that's the case, then I can give them a chest full of tools. But I saw this tool chest. It had some tools in it. It had some saws, which I don't need any saws. I've got a bunch of them. And it has some other tools in there, egg beater drills and chisels and things like that. So I said, well, how much do you want for the chest? Just the wood chest. He goes, I don't know, make me an offer. I said, $10. He goes, no, I think I can get maybe $20 for it. So I said, I think you could. I think it's worth that. So I think you ought to hold on to it. So I started to walk away. He goes, no, $10. You can have it, $10. So pretty cool chest for $10. Again, it has a place for your saws. Has some dividers in here. Worth $10. Again, it'll probably just be in my way until one of my grandsons wants it, but for the money, you can't beat it. Over here, I've got some bags of stuff. I saw this Stanley number 5. It's actually in pretty decent shape. There's no rust on the blade. It looks pretty good. It looks like it can clean up pretty quick. I got that for $10. I didn't think it was a bad deal. I think it's a rosewood handle. I might be wrong. 1/2-inch router bit. I think that was a couple bucks from Woodline. Let's see what else. Oh, couple socket chisels with no handles. I need chisels like a hole in my head, but when I want a quick project, just something to do, it's a quick cleanup and turn a handle and you've got a chisel to give away to a friend or something like that. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, nothing left in there. Let's see here. What else is... Oh, here we go. couple little hand screws. Yeah, these are not Jorgensen. They're Sears Craftsman. But I paid $5 for the two of them. So you can see you can get tools if you look around. All right, and the last thing is a couple files. I have a ton of files, yet I don't have one quite in this shape. It's an old one, good quality. So I picked it up. I think I paid $1 for both of them. Triangular file for sharpening. So anyway, picked up some tools that need some love, and hope to clean them up a little bit and one day pass them on. And this chair, I'll play with this chair and get it looking better, and it may stay in the shop or it may go somewhere else. I don't know. But anyway, this is what Mark was up to this morning. All right, you guys take care.